What if the lights you see in the sky aren't stars? What if they are something more mysterious, something unexplained? A young couple out for a late-night stroll stopped dead in their tracks. Above the rolling hills of the Hessdalen Valley, a sphere of light danced. It pulsed with an otherworldly glow. The light, silent and swift, moved across the sky, defying explanation. This was no ordinary light show. This was the Hessdalen Light, a phenomenon that had baffled observers for decades. As quickly as it had appeared, the light vanished, leaving the couple in stunned silence. Their experience that night would stay with them, a chilling reminder of the mysteries that lie hidden in the vast expanse of our universe. Tonight, we delve into the enigma of the Hessdalen Light, a phenomenon that has baffled scientists and intrigued onlookers for decades. Join us as we uncover the secrets and theories surrounding this unsolved mystery. The Hessdalen Lights are not a recent phenomenon. Reports of strange lights in the sky above the valley date back to the 1930s. Locals, accustomed to the rhythms of nature, began to whisper about the unusual lights that seemed to stalk the night. These early accounts were often dismissed as folklore, attributed to superstition or misidentified natural phenomena. But as the sightings persisted, so too did the questions. The lights, it seemed, were not going away. In fact, they were becoming bolder, more frequent. The 1980s saw a dramatic increase in Hessdalen light activity. The valley, once a quiet backwater, found itself thrust into the spotlight. The lights, no longer content with sporadic appearances, began to appear almost nightly. They danced across the sky, their movements erratic and unpredictable, their colours shifting and changing. The residents of Hessdalen, once sceptical, now found themselves both fascinated and frightened by the spectacle unfolding above their homes. The scientific community, initially dismissive, began to take notice. The stage was set for a scientific investigation unlike any other. The residents of Hessdalen have borne witness to the lights for generations. Their stories, passed down through families, paint a vivid picture of the phenomena. Some speak of lights that seem to follow them, hovering silently in the sky. Others describe lights that change shape and size, morphing from spheres to triangles to elongated streaks of light. One elderly woman tells of the night a large, pulsating light hovered outside her bedroom window. Its glow, she claims, filled her room with an unnatural, almost eerie light. A local farmer speaks of the night he saw a formation of lights moving in unison across the sky. They moved with a precision that defied explanation, as if controlled by an unseen hand. These first-hand accounts, often dismissed as tall tales or the product of overactive imaginations, add a human dimension to the Hessdalen Lights mystery. They are a constant reminder that these lights are not simply abstract anomalies, but rather phenomena that have had a profound impact on the lives of those who live beneath their glow. Despite the varied experiences, a common thread runs through all the accounts, a deep respect bordering on reverence for the unknown power of the lights. These stories form an integral part of the Hessdalen Lights lore. The scientific community, initially skeptical of the Hessdalen Lights, has been forced to take notice. Numerous theories have been proposed over the years, each attempting to shed light on the mystery. Some scientists believe that the lights are a form of piezoelectric phenomenon. This theory suggests that the lights are caused by the stress of the Earth's crust, which generates electric currents that ionize the air, creating the luminous displays. Others point to the valley's unique geology, rich in minerals and electromagnetic anomalies, as a possible contributing factor. One of the more intriguing theories proposes that the Hessdalen Lights are a form of ball lightning. Ball lightning, a rare and poorly understood phenomenon itself, is characterized by spherical masses of electricity that float through the air. While this theory could explain the lights' unusual movements and colors, it fails to account for their longevity and frequency in the Hessdalen Valley. The answer, like the lights themselves, remains elusive. The enigma of the electromagnetic field. One of the most compelling pieces of the Hessdalen Lights puzzle is the presence of unusual electromagnetic activity in the valley. Scientists have measured significant fluctuations in the electromagnetic field in the area where the lights are most frequently observed. These fluctuations, they believe, could be a key to understanding the phenomenon. One theory suggests that the valley acts as a giant battery, storing electromagnetic energy. This energy, when released, could ionize the air, creating the spectacular light shows. The presence of ferrous minerals in the valley's rock formations adds another layer of intrigue. These minerals, known to have magnetic properties, could be interacting with the Earth's magnetic field in ways that are not yet fully understood. Could these interactions be creating the conditions necessary for the Hessdalen Lights to manifest? Instruments designed to measure electromagnetic fields go haywire in the presence of the lights. Compasses spin uncontrollably, and radios crackle with static. The valley, it seems, is not just a passive observer of these lights, but an active participant in their creation. Project Hessdalen, shining a light on the unknown. Intrigued by the persistent reports and the unusual electromagnetic readings, a group of scientists from Norway, Italy and France joined forces in the 1980s to form Project Hessdalen. This ambitious project, dedicated to unraveling the mystery of the lights, marked the first large-scale scientific investigation into the phenomenon. Armed with sophisticated equipment, including spectrometers, magnetometers and radar, the researchers descended upon the valley, hoping to catch the elusive lights in action. Their goal was simple: to gather as much data as possible in the hopes of finding a scientific explanation for the Hessdalen Lights. The researchers set up a network of monitoring stations throughout the valley. These stations, equipped with state-of-the-art instruments, continuously monitored the skies, recording everything from electromagnetic fluctuations to changes in air pressure. The data collected during these early expeditions provided valuable insights into the nature of the Hessdalen Lights. Project Hessdalen, though unable to provide a definitive answer to the mystery, succeeded in elevating the Hessdalen Lights from the realm of folklore to a legitimate scientific enigma. The findings from Project Hessdalen have only fueled the fires of curiosity, inspiring further research and investigation. Through the lens, capturing the elusive lights. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence in the Hessdalen Lights mystery comes from photographic and video footage captured over the years. These images, often taken by amateur photographers and witnesses, provide a tantalizing glimpse into the nature of the lights. Some photographs show bright spherical objects hovering in the sky, while others depict streaks of light moving at high speeds. Video footage, often grainy and unstable, captures the light's erratic movements and color changes. The advent of digital cameras and smartphones has led to a surge in Hessdalen Lights documentation. Witnesses, armed with their ever-present devices, are now able to capture images and videos of the lights with a clarity that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. These images, shared widely online, have brought the mystery of the Hessdalen Lights to a global audience. The sheer volume of photographic and video evidence makes it increasingly difficult to dismiss the Hessdalen Lights as mere hoaxes or misidentifications. While some images can be attributed to natural phenomena or human-made objects, there remains a significant number of photographs and videos that defy easy explanation. They are real, tangible phenomena that have been captured on film and video by countless individuals. The unyielding puzzle of the Hessdalen Lights. Despite decades of research and countless theories, the Hessdalen Lights remain an enigma. The scientific community, while intrigued, is no closer to providing a definitive explanation for the phenomenon. The lights continue to appear with frustrating irregularity, their movements unpredictable, their nature elusive. The mystery, it seems, is as deep and as captivating as ever. The Hessdalen Lights, like a persistent whisper in the night, refuse to be ignored. They are a constant reminder of the limits of our knowledge, a challenge to our understanding of the natural world. The persistence of the Hessdalen Lights, their defiance of easy explanation, has led some to speculate about more esoteric origins. Could the lights be evidence of extraterrestrial activity, a beacon from another world? Or are they manifestations of something even stranger, something beyond our current comprehension?